And welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am showing you how you can achieve this beautiful beachy wavy hair tutorial. So I hope you enjoy and let's get into it.
Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
Okay, so the first thing that I like to do is section off my hair. I either do 4 or 3 different sections, and then I will take this comb and run it through the hair that I am going to be curling. I like to take decently small sections, like maybe about an inch. And then I'm using a flat iron. This is probably an inch or half an inch or something. And basically all I do is the rhythm of moving my wrist. So I'll take my hair and I push it forward and then I'll switch it for about 2 seconds each side. And at the very end, you want to just kink it to the other side. One, two. 1, 2. 1, 2. And then you want to kink it so it's not like a huge loop. And there you go. So you can do as big or as small of measurements that you want for your desired hair. I like to do small sections to make sure it stays in the flat iron. This is super easy, you'll totally get the hang of it. And kink. And then when I'm done with half a section, I will hairspray it. Cool, so I'm gonna fast forward this and I'll talk to you guys at the end.
Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down.
Okay, and then to finish off the look, I'm going to take Aussie Sprunch spray. It's hairspray specifically to scrunch it up.
I felt like I could drink the ocean before I was found. I couldn't wanna breathe out, and my soul needs to sound loud enough to quiet the thunder.
So there you have it. This is how I style my hair when it is wavy like this. Super easy, takes me less than 20 minutes. I've been doing it for years. I love it. It will drop a little bit throughout the day, making it a lot more loose and beachy, and I love it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really supports my channel. And while you're at it, you can click that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram, and if you comment on one of my most recent pictures saying you are a viewer, I will most definitely follow you back. And I will have my last 2 videos up on the screen for you guys to check out. And I think that's everything. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!